Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best bowling ball reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Brunswick Tsone Deep Space Bowling Ball. First, we represent the holy grail of all deliveries bowling. Fulfill the first product in our list, a bowling ball by Bruns Prepared, which is a brand favored by many fans of bowling. When it comes to creating the best bowling balls, Braunschweig is a leading brand with thousands of designs and sales to his credit. They consistently deliver products that are extremely beneficial for the masses and make sure they offer the highest quality at an affordable price. And deep in the design T-Zone Braunschweig Space Bowling Ball, you are sure that your competition after each ruin game. Its appearance and properties, that brands developed in a way this ideal ball for all levels, from beginners to qualified bowling professionals. No matter who you are, to make this ball of promises their experiences bowling a class is developing one of many bowling balls and distributed by Brunswick. The T-Zone Space Bowling Ball has a core and the top of the pancake build quality, designed to simplify your life, especially bowling if you are a newcomer to the game. It was built with a polyester feature that considerably just covers the implementation shots. If you need an additional item on the bowling ball to help it look unique to the rest of you should look at this first-class department product Braunschweig. As a bonus, this ball has a potential hook, and offering this feature for use in fat makes it a very useful surface. Users this fun ball plastic/replacement for beginners and pro bowling enthusiasts. You will appreciate its design and affordable versatility allows its use by people of all ages. With the availability of this bowling ball dropped in a variety of colors, it also stands out from many female users, as it will help them and also offers to add color to your personality. Number 2. Our second best pick is Brunswick Rhino Bowling Ball. The product comes in the discussion of the tremendous brand, Braunschweig. It is the bowling ball Rhino Braunschweig, a robust and resilient unit built the same with all the features, the Rhino. These are the best bowling balls able to withstand all kinds of pressure on the players, without problems. He is a member of the selection of Brunswick Bowling Ball for all entrances bowlers and is very suitable for any bowling fan needs a ball, which is insensitive to oily or dry parts of the track. The Rhino ball cover has reactive material R16 and also provides the use of A to create core lightbulb customers with a single unit that perfectly balances power and control. The Braunschweig Rhino is ideal for beginners and professionals, but their target market environment is more advanced bowling. The features that make this device one of the best balls for all professionals include its symmetrical core, which helps in better balance and makes drilling extremely easy holes. If you need a professional bowling ball for your game on the network or to achieve a particular aid plan, all those hard knocks in the game go to achieve through the ball Braunschweig Rhino. Number 3. Our third best pick is Pyramid Path Rising Pearl Bowling Ball. Meets another dangerous product from another, but as an extraordinary brand. This ball is the Pyramid Rising Pearl Ball, an impressive bowling unit to be formed slightly more reactive than other balls, and it is also built by overzealous special professionals for the satisfaction of the player. Pearl Ball is a unit designed top with a symmetrical core for a simple hole, and for maximum balance during play. The versatility that comes with the markings of the bore of the hole I feel more comfortable because it's all the generated holes your favorite spots. Another feature is that the effectiveness significantly contributes to increasing pearl his cover design. This bowling ball has a cover design beads. This type of plan is the ideal medium oil traces of highly reactive. The ball also comes with a decent hook to facilitate a potential adjustment of the game that may be significantly large for their results. It is well suited for the use of players who love to use both hands for high-performance shots and players that are more technical in nature. It is the best bowling ball you get when you're looking to improve overall, and the quality of his game is excellent for advanced players, but also they can be used by professionals. As for the price, the Pearl rises slightly higher than many of its competitors, but for the user, this is a good investment. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Storm Timeless Bowling Ball. Bowling Ball Storm Timeless designed a revolutionary bowling unit with the help and support of the reigning PBA Player of the Year 3 times, Jason Belmont. This bowling ball is a ball issued from the time of multi-purchases since its launch. Although the original design was launched, the new signature line of the Storm has received a lot around the world recognition and appreciation that other units of the line. This ball is designed so that it is better suited for advanced bowlers and professionals. Beginners' problems with this device have and may be relatively robust control. As for the availability of these, bowling balls have a cost, which is somewhat higher than usual. However, this service was professional bowling, making it well worth the investment. If they are to improve their game as a professional bowler, Timeless Ball is in play. This device is also ideal for all players to make a quick decision in the big leagues, but wants to do. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Brunswick Quantum Bias. Have you heard of Quantum Brunswick Bowling Ball Bias? This Unity bowling equipment manufacturer is a member of your bowling ball series. This series is rolling out multiple design balls, each unit uniquely designed for a certain amount of skill and also for various results of the game. The ball Quantum Bias has a completely white color and its other functions improved as its single drive fantastic balance. This bowling ball has 3.5 times cover regular bowling balls. This helps to increase the unit's hit performance and durability, all time. On the same Braunschweig ball Quantum Bias, it is the first of its kind with an asymmetrical design basis. It is a unit that has a high-density high-RG quantum mushroom core and a thicker covering urethane, offering longevity, durability and mass power hitter. We also suggest that for people who like to play with class and style, as the white pigment exudes an elegant atmosphere loved by many users. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.